everyone, my name's Naomi. I'm the Diabetic Diva, and I'm here on a super exciting milestone. I'm about to unbox my MiniMed 670G system, which is the world's first hybrid closed-loop system. I've been choking back tears all day long because this is such a pivotal milestone in my own life. I've been here at Medtronic for 8 years, and I've actually unboxed 3 times with this team. So say hi, team.
Hi.
It's a team tradition, and we're all just sharing in this exciting moment in my life. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes on September 2nd, 2001, and I got my insulin pump, my first insulin pump with Medtronic a year later. I remember both of those dates. I also remember March 8th, 2015, which was my wedding date, and I will also remember today for the rest of my life. I'm so excited for a brighter future ahead in diabetes management, and I know if you're watching this, you're probably connected to diabetes in some way. Diabetes is so hard, but we're in this together, and there's people like this team that work so hard every day to make sure people like you and me can live a full life. So here I go. I'm going to unbox them. So okay.
Wait, you need help?
Yeah, you can help me carry it. Oh my gosh. I'm all shaky, guys.
Because this one's different.
This is different. This is like mine. I'm like freaking out. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Woo! Got some documents. I won't lose the paperwork. Got some getting started guides.
Very nice.
And here's my MiniMed 670G. Oh my gosh, I am so thrilled. I know it's not going to cure me. I know that there will still be effort involved, but I also know that it's going to make things better for my life and for a lot of other people. So thank you for watching. Thank y'all for sharing in this moment with me. Yay. Let's see, let me open the box real quick. I know you probably want to see it, right? Oh my gosh, okay. I think it comes out this way. Sorry, yeah, I'm like all shaky because I'm so emotional.
Yeah, it didn't untape totally.
All right, while Manisha's doing that, what are you most excited about?
I think I'm excited about just less head space and heart space that's taken up by diabetes management. From what I understand about the system and the people that I've talked to from the clinical trial, they just say that there's less things that you have to do, and you feel safer when you go to bed at night. You don't worry about all of your pump settings and your basal rates, and you know that the pump is going to be much more automated than anything you've had before. So I think it'll just be nice to have a little bit of a backup. And it's not just me that has to do everything, because that can be really hard and tiring. And I know not just me, but like my husband is super excited because right now my pump beeps in the middle of the night, and he's like, "Your pump is beeping." I don't think that's going to happen as much with this, just because it's going to do things automatically. So I think it'll be really cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. Are you ready? There it is. My new best friend and my new stylish accessory.
Oh, yes.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.